What is up, YouTube? This is part 2 of the TBSS clone roof rack delete. Heading down to Amy Hardware to get some set screws to fill the holes for the old bolt holes and some epoxy so we can make it waterproof. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Just got done with the hardware store. Got the set screws and the silicone so we can get this shit done right. About to head back to the house, get started. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? We're back with the Trailblazer, back from the hardware store. So, what you want to go and do? Let's clean all this off with some alcohol or something, because we're going to be putting epoxy in here. So to make this video shorter, I went around the truck and set all the screws in there. So let's get these things screwed down and put some epoxy and seal them, and that's it. Well, baby woke up, so we're gonna have to finish this video another time. Peace. Say hi.
Hi. I want Daddy's phone.
You want Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want Daddy. I want Daddy.
Uh-huh. You want what?
I want Daddy.
You want Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
You want Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it?
Yay!
Okay. Careful. Alright, Daddy's got to finish this video.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, we're back. I got all the set screws in. They're just under the level. What's up, YouTube? It's been a couple days. Had some things going on, but we're back. It's a couple days after the silicone's dried. It's rained a few days and no leaks whatsoever. So follow these simple steps and you too can be as clean as me.
You're just fun,